So good morning and welcome to Friday's Maths lesson year 3. It's the 29th of January and we're going to start off by practicing our 6 times table. So pause the video here while you read these down. Okay, let's write the date and the objective. Don't forget to put maths as your title. And so on to our first thinking question. So here we have Kate with 24 marbles and she's got those marbles in 3 bags. So 24 marbles in each of her 3 bags. And we want to know how many marbles does Zach have. And Zach is here saying that he's got 10 fewer than Kate. So remember that Kate's got 24 marbles in each of those 3 bags. I want to know what are the number sentences that we need to use and how many steps will we need to solve this question. So just pause the video here and have a think about how you could solve this problem, and then we'll look through the solution. Okay, so we've got Kate with 3 bags of marbles with 24 marbles in each bag. So this is a multiplication sum. So we're going to do 24 times 3. So that's our first number sentence. And here we can see the working out, and we've broken it down into the ones first of all. 3 times 4 is 12, and then the tens. 3 times 20 is 60, and we're going to total up those to get 72. So we now know that Kate has 72 marbles. So that's our first step. But then we're going to move on to Zach, and Zach has said that he's got 10 fewer. So 72 take away 10 leaves us with 62. So Zach has 62 marbles. So this is the number sentence here for the second part. 72 take away 10. So here we have our number sentences. And here we have the fact that we need 2 steps in order to solve this problem. So our next thinking question. So Zach has his marbles in 2 bags. Now remember, he's got 62 marbles altogether. There are 8 more marbles in one bag compared to the other. So how many marbles are there in each bag? So remember, he's got 2 bags, and one of the bags has 8 more marbles and the other one has 8 fewer marbles. So how many in each of the bags? So pause the video here while you have a think about how to solve this problem, and then we'll look through the solution together. Okay, so we've got some images here to help us out. We've got both bags here, bag 1 and bag 2. Remember, together they make 62. But here we've got this bag here with 8 extra ones. Remember, this bag here has got 8 fewer. So first of all, we're going to take the 8 away from 62, which leaves us with 54. So now these 2 bags are equal. So we're going to divide the 54 by 2, and that tells us in bag 1 and bag 2 we've got 27 here and 27 there. Now when we total up the totals for each bag, we've got bag 1 having 27 plus the 8, which makes 35 marbles, and bag 2 with the 27 marbles, and together 35 and 27 will make the 62. Okay, so in your exercise books, let's have a go at this question. So remember, we're going to be using multiplying and adding, and you may need 3 steps to solve this. So a bag contains 7 tiger marbles and 6 shooter marbles. And tiger marbles weigh 5 grams, and there's the 7. And shooter marbles weigh 8 grams, and there we have 6. So we need to work out the multiplying first of all, and then adding together to solve this problem, because we want to know how much do the marbles weigh in total. So pause the video while you do this in your exercise book, and then we'll have a look at the answer together. Okay, so what we should have is we should have 7 tiger marbles times 5 grams, which equals 35, and 6 shooter marbles multiplied by 8 to equal 48, and then we have our addition sum of 35 add 48, which equals 83. So the total weight of the marbles is 83 grams. So we've got 3 steps to solve this problem. Okay, so moving on, another one to do in your exercise book. So we've got a question here. How much more do 12 shooter marbles weigh than 12 tiger marbles? So here we can see our 12 marbles. Tiger ones weighing 5, so 5 times 12. Shooter marbles weighing 8, so 8 times 12. And then we need to work out the difference. So here's a tip for you. Remember to do the multiplying first and then do the takeaway sum. So pause the video here and then we'll have a look at the answer. Okay, so we've got 5 times 12 equaling 60 and 8 times 12 equaling 96. And then we have the takeaway of 96 take away 60, which leaves us with 36. So the shooter marbles weigh 36 grams more. So moving on now to our independent tasks. You complete the questions in your book. Please keep it nice and clear. Pause the video on each of the questions while you work it out. So the first question, ice creams are sold in boxes of 3 or boxes of 5, and Kate buys the following ice creams. So I can see that she's got 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of 3 ice creams, 4 times 3, and then she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of 5 ice creams, 6 times 5. Once you've done that, work out the totals, and that will give you the total for the amount of ice creams that Kate buys. Question 2, we've got a basket, and the basket contains 5 apples and 8 pears. But now there are 7 baskets. But how many more pears than apples are there? So first of all, we're going to have to work out how many apples in total of the 5 apples in 7 baskets, 5 times 7. And then we've got 8 pears times 7 baskets, and then we're going to work out the difference. Okay, question 3. A bag of balloons contains 5 red and 3 blue balloons. How many balloons in 6 bags? Okay, so we're going to do 5 times 6 and 3 times 6, total them up to find the number of balloons in 6 bags. And that's it for today. Just check your answers before you submit your work. Take a clear photograph and email it to me. And once I've received your work, I'll mark it and send you some dojos. And if you want to do some extension work, this is optional. We've got a question here for you to complete. We've got rulers that are sold in boxes of 5. Mrs. Dean here, she's bought 3 boxes. Mr. Jones has bought 4 boxes. We want to work out how many rulers they have altogether. So we're using images here. This is Mrs. Dean. She's got 3 boxes of those 5s. I wonder what that makes. And Mr. Jones has got 4 boxes of those 5s. And then together we have the total number of rulers. Thank you.